DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate travel drone? Ready to elevate your travel adventures and capture stunning content? Does the DJI Mini 4 Pro have it all? Let's find out. The Mini 4 Pro packs a punch with its 48MP 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Expect incredibly sharp and vibrant images that will blow you away. Plus, it shoots 4K video at up to 100 FPS with 10-bit D-Log-M, giving you amazing flexibility in post-production. Even in low-light situations, this drone shines. Its dual native ISO and night mode significantly improve performance. But the real kicker? Native vertical video. Rotate the camera 90 degrees for perfect social media content. Get ready for extended flights with up to 34 minutes of flight time using the standard battery. And the optional Plus battery bumps that up to an impressive 45 minutes. The Mini 4 Pro delivers omnidirectional sensors, providing 360 degrees obstacle detection and avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing your drone is protected. And with Active Track 360 degrees, master shots, and other intelligent modes. Ready to create stunning content? Click the link in the description and get this product at the best price now. Capturing dynamic and creative shots has never been easier. The Mini 4 Pro is incredibly user-friendly. Choose the upgraded DJI RC2 controller, which features a built-in screen for a streamlined experience. The intuitive twin-stick controls and automatic takeoff landing make flying a breeze. Weighing under 250 g, this drone is a traveler's dream. It complies with regulations in many regions, making it perfect for spontaneous flights and fitting easily into your travel bag. Priced at around $1,250, the Mini 4 Pro offers incredible value for its performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a top-tier compact drone that delivers professional-grade imaging, advanced safety features, and user-friendly controls. It offers exceptional value for its size and price. Don't just dream about capturing stunning aerial footage, make it a reality. Click the link below to learn more and order your DJI Mini 4 Pro today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.